Hello guys, today we're gonna make a fruit catcher game. You have to try to catch all the fruits but don't touch the bugs. If you're gonna touch the bugs, then your score is going to be decreased. We have to use the arrows to keep the ball and have fun. Let's go. Let's start and try to see how this game is gonna work. So here is a scratch platform where we are going to create a game. So we need a sprites here on the below. We can choose a sprite by just click here and choose the first one, that is a container wall. We're gonna choose and we're gonna put it on the bottom, and then we have to go again here and we have to choose some fruits. Let's choose an apple, banana, grapes, whatever you like. So let's me choose banana. Let's choose another one, apple. Another one, you can choose whatever you're gonna like here. So for now I'm going to choose another one which is going to be there, that is a beetle. We need to avoid that one so that our score will not get decreased. So let's search here beetle and you will get here beetle. So we are having all the sprites, we are having the container. Let's choose a backdrop now. So for backdrop we have to go here, choose a backdrop, and you can choose any one. So let's choose a blue sky. Now we will go to the bowl and we're gonna do the coding. So we have to tell the computer you have to move the ball using an arrow. This container should move with the help of arrows, right and left arrow. For that, what we're gonna do is simply first let's go to the when events. There will be when green flag click, we have to drag that one, and after that we have to go to the looks. There will be hide. Let's hide it in the beginning. Then let's go to the control. We have to control our this container also by dragging. Wait for 1 second and let's make it 5. Then we will go to the looks again. Let's tell the computer after 5 seconds you're gonna show us this thing. Then I will go to the control again. There will be a forever. You want to move something forever. It's a loop which is going to move, repeat something. So for that we have to put it inside. So for that I will drag if, then which is a conditional statement, which means it will be based on condition. We're going to tell the computer if we're going to press a right arrow key, you have to go to the right side. If I'm gonna press the left arrow key, you have to go to the left side. So it means it is going to work with x value only, that means x direction only. For positive it will be right side, for negative it will be left side. So let's do it. For that one I will go to the sensing first, and there is when space key pressed, I'm gonna make it when right arrow key pressed. After that I will go to the motion. There will be change x, because if you are dealing it with right and left you have to drag change x and y. So it will be 10. For I'm gonna duplicate it and I'm gonna put it on the bottom of this. So here I'm gonna make it left, and here I'm going to make it negative 10, because we are dealing with the left now. After that I will just go to the again events. I'm going to drag when green flag click, and after that I'm going to tell the computer that you have to wait for 50 seconds. That means only 50 seconds will be there for playing game. You have to check the score, how much you have done like during these 50 seconds. So after that I will go to the looks. There will be a hide and there will be stop all sound. Okay, but before that we have to create a sound. For that I will drag again when green flag click, then I will go to the forever, that is inside control. play sound forever. For that I will go to the sound, there will be play sound, and let's choose something different sound. You can record here also. So let's choose here a sound, we call it dance magic. This one. So we have chosen a sound, let's change it to dance magic. Now we need to tell the computer when the 50 seconds, you're gonna wait for 50 seconds, people are going to play the game, then you have to hide this container, and after that you have to stop all sounds. So we have done coding for this container. Now we have to do coding for these sprites also. So first we're gonna do coding for this sprite banana one. Whatever coding you're gonna do inside this, you have to do same thing for apple, then you can duplicate it for more sprites. And for beetle you have to change only one thing, that is if banana is going to touch this container, the score should be increased. However, if beetle is going to touch this container, the score should be decreased. Only this much. So let's start working on this banana now. So we will go same one. When green flag is clicked in the events, let's tell the computer hide in the beginning, wait for 5 seconds, let's tell the computer you have to go to the random position. We are telling the computer just put this particular sprite randomly so that it will be really quick game. For that we have to go to the motion, there will be go to the random position. After that you have to set like some direction. As you know, it will come from top to bottom. We have to use then y direction. So here this direction is, you can see here this direction will be 30, here this direction will be 81, here this direction will be 115. So let's check this direction. So it is 156, and if you go top like that, so it will be 180. So let's make it 180. So let's go to the set y. So here will be set y 180. It means it will come from top to bottom. And after that you have to go to the control, that will be forever, and then you have to go to the motion again, and let's tell the computer change y by -5. It means from top to bottom. For that I will go to this one and I will drag it and make it -5. After making -5, you have to tell the computer if y position will be less than -170, then make it again same 180, so that if this particular sprite will goes like this way, this direction, you have to put it again on the top. For that we are going inside control, there will be if, we have to give the condition again, then you will go to the operators and there will be the lesser, and then we will go to the motion, there will be y position. For up and down you have to deal with y position, for right and left you have to deal with only x position. So for here, if y position is less than -170, then let's tell the computer you have to make it the same, that is set y to 180. After that, let's tell the computer about if touching above a container, what you need to do. So let's tell the computer about when green flag click, then go to the looks, again the same thing, hide it in the beginning, wait for 5 seconds. For that you will go here and then go to the looks again, there will be show, go to the variables. Let's create a score, a variable which is going to help us to track the score. If our fruit is going to touch this container, our score is going to be increased by 1. For that we need to create score in the between should be 0. For that I'm going to make a variable which we call a score, and then I'm going to drag it. Let's make it a score, a set score to 0. Then I will go to the control. There will be a forever. Let's tell the computer let's repeat something. So repeat will be the thing which you will put inside. So let's put inside something related condition. So here we will tell the computer in the sensing you need to go. There will be touching mouse pointer. So let's tell the computer make it touching this a ball, that is a container, and then we will go to the sound. Let's tell the computer about something white. Let's make the start sound at the time, and this particular banana is going to touch a bowl, a container. We need to start a sound, we call it a bite, or you can choose anyone. Just go inside the sounds. Then let's tell the computer that if it's touching, then increase the score by 1 by just dragging this change score by 1. Then let's tell the computer again, go to random position again. For that you have to go here, and let's tell the computer again, if it is touching this one, we have to make the set y to again 180. Okay, let's do another one thing. Let the same thing we have done in this particular thing, that is one green flag click. You have to play this game for 50 seconds. You have only 50 seconds for playing this game, then you have to hide. Let's do the same thing here. So for that we will just go to the events again, when green flag click, then go to the control, drag, wait for 1 second and make it 50, and then hide it. Okay, so we have to do coding for this apple sprite also, but the coding will be the same like this. For that what you need to do is you can have a backspace on the bottom, or you need to drag it like this, or you can drag it like this directly. If it's just showing some movement here, we have to drag it and drop it here. Now you can see it here. Let's go back to the only and do the same thing for this and this one. So you can see we have done coding for this apple, because the coding is same. If anytime the coding will be same, just drag and drop it here. Or you have a backspace like backpack on the bottom, you can backpack those code and you can drag and drop it here. So for beetle also we are having the same code. So let's drag it. For this one also we have done coding. So let's change in the beetle little bit coding. So the coding will be for this it will be the same one, touching bowl, but here if it is touching a container we need to make it -1. So it means it is going to decrease our code by 1. It means our score by 1. It is going to, if it's 20, like if you are touching a beetle, then score will be 90. So it is gonna decrease it. So after that the coding will be same for each and everything. So let's duplicate it. After duplicating, you don't need to write the code again, it is automatically there. So let's duplicate now. If you want, you can change some code inside also in these duplicate sprites also by giving some random like functions also. So let's do this one. Okay, so let's duplicate this one more time. Okay. So we have duplicated these sprites I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.